Hello everybody, my name is Daniel and today I'm making a tutorial on how to use the Giz keyboard on Linux. Now when we talk about Linux, we can talk about various distros such as Debian, Ubuntu, Pop! OS, Linux Mint, but generally this should work on all Linux distros. And there may be a reason why you might need to use Giz keyboard on your Linux machine if you're a software developer or if you just like the Linux operating system and you don't use Windows. This tutorial is for you. So, the first step is to go ahead and download the Keyman Engine for Linux. So what we're going to do is we're going to run this command here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Terminal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this command here. I'm gonna let it run. Press enter. And then once that's done, then we're going to copy this second line of code over here. So I'm going to do that. I'm gonna press yes. And we're going to go ahead and let that download. And while that downloads, we've already got the engine installed. You don't have to worry about this. You only need to run these two commands to install the engine. This is the keyboard, the Giz keyboard that we can install on our Linux device or computer. So once the engine is done installing, which should happen in about a few seconds, then we can download this. So I'm just waiting for this to complete. And it's done. Perfect. Now we can go ahead and install the Giz keyboard. We click install keyboard, open link, and we click install here. We click OK. And now if you can see here on the top right, we can switch between the Tigrinya keyboard and the English keyboard. So if I go here onto LibreWord, which is a word processor on Linux, if I was to type in be, for example, be, that's be. If I wanted to do se, se. If I wanted to do ve, if I wanted to do de. So you could tell it works. And if you want to switch between your English keyboard, you can do this, and then this is English. But if you ever want to go back to Giz, or if you wanted to use Tigrinya or Amharic, then you click this. So this, I'm assuming this says Salam. So yeah, this is how to use Giz on your Linux machine. You have to first download the Keyman Engine, and once you're done downloading the Keyman Engine, then you can install the Giz plugin for Linux. Thank you very much.